in which it is given the odometer of a car reads 2000 km at the start of the trip and 2400 km at the end of the trip. If the trip took 8 hours, calculate average speed of the car in kilometer per hour and meter per second. So what we have to do is we have to calculate its average speed in both the units, that is kilometer per hour and meter per second. Details has been given. Odometer. What is odometer? Odometer is a type of a meter that you can see in your vehicle which shows the distance you have traveled. So odometer is basically an instrument that measures the distance traveled by an car or a bike or whatever vehicle it is. So at the starting of the trip, it read 2000 kilometers, and at the end of the trip, it read 2400 kilometers. So how much total distance has the car traveled? So distance traveled, S is equals to 2400 minus 2000, that is 400 kilometers. So car has traveled basically 400 kilometers. And how much time it took? The trip took 8 hours. So time it took is 8 hours. T is equals to 8 hours. So distance we have 400 kilometers, time is 8 hours. So our average speed will be given by S by T. So S by T will be equal to 400 by 8. 400 kilometer by 8 hours. So that will give us 50 kilometer per hours. So our first answer, that is the speed of a car in kilometer per hour, will be 50 kilometer per hour. Now to convert this 50 kilometer per hour into meter per second, what we need to do is we need to multiply the given number, that is 50 kilometer per hour, by 5 by 18, and hence we'll get the answer 13.9 meter per second. So this is the both the answers. Next, let us take one more example. It is given in the example, Usha swims in 90-meter long pool. She is swimming in a pool which is 90-meter long. She covers 180 meter in 1 minute by swimming from one end to the other and back along the same straight path. Means she has traveled from one end of the pool to the other and then has came back in 1 minute. So total distance she has covered is 180 meters. So while traveling 90 meters, while coming back 90 meters, so total 180 meters. So what has been asked is find the average speed and average velocity. Average speed and average velocity. So for the solution, we know that the average speed is given by total distance upon total time taken. So total distance she has covered is 180 meters divided by total time 1 minute. Converting minute into seconds will give us 60 seconds. 180 meter by 60 seconds, that is 3 meter per second. So average speed of Usha was 3 meter per second. Now, what about the average velocity? Average velocity is given by displacement upon total time. So you can see that displacement is the distance between the initial and the final position. Let us say her initial position was A, then from A she went to the point B, then again back to the point A. So her displacement is 0, and hence average velocity is given by displacement by total times taken, that is 0 meters per 60 seconds. So its average velocity is 0 meter per second.